They are giving us that P, Q, and R. 3 points are given to us. P, Q, and R, in which the coordinate of P is 6, minus 11. Coordinate of Q is K, minus 9. And coordinate of R is 2k, minus 3. P is 6, minus 11. Q is k, minus 9. And R is 2k minus 3. Now, after this, what they are saying, they are giving us a condition. What's the condition saying? The condition is saying that gradient of PQ, the gradient of PQ, which is this one. Okay, they are saying the gradient of PQ equals to gradient of PR. They are giving us that the gradient of PQ is equals to the gradient of PR. PQ equals to gradient of PR, and then they are saying find the value of K. I have to find the value of K over here. So first of all, starting from here, gradient of PQ. Formula is M equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So PQ, which means x1 y1 and x2 y2. Okay, so y2 is minus 9, minus sign of the formula. Y1 is minus 11. X2 k minus x1 is 6. Okay, so when I will simplify it, gradient of PQ minus 9 minus plus 11 k minus 6. So gradient of PQ 11 minus 9 is 2, k minus 6. So I have got the gradient of PQ is coming 2 over k minus 6. Gradient of PR. Okay, I will be working with gradient of PR. It means now I will be using these two coordinates. Formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. The formula. Okay, so plotting my values, y2, which is minus 3, minus y1, y2 minus 3, minus sign of the formula, y1 is minus 11 upon x2, 2k, minus sign of the formula, x1 is 6, gradient of PR. Okay, so gradient of PR minus 3 plus 11 over 2k minus 6. Gradient of PR minus 3 plus 11 is 8 over 2k minus 6. Okay, I can leave it over here, but I can see over here that I can do some simplification. So 8, 2 common, k minus 3, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So gradient of PR is coming 4 k minus 3. That's the gradient of PR, which was needed over here. What was the condition saying? The condition was saying that the gradient of PQ and gradient of PR are equal. So what is the gradient over here? 2 over k minus x. Gradient over here 4 over k minus 3. Both gradient are equal. So I have written it in equation form. 2 into x minus 3 equals to 4 into k minus 6. 2 into k minus 3 equals to 4 into k minus 6. So 2k minus 6, 4k minus 24. Okay. Shifting this over here and minus 24 over here. So this will become 24 minus 6, 4k minus 2k. 24 minus 6 is 18 equals to 2k. 18 over 2 equals to k. So k will be coming equals to 9. So in this given scenario, when these coordinates are given, the result of k is coming 9.